Time to see homes. Let's talk about how to set that up when we come back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. And every Thursday, right here on YouTube, I answer real estate questions. So if you're beginning the home buying process, do yourself a solid. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell, and I will notify you when I upload my next video. Now, before we talk about going to see properties, I want to tell you about something really great that I've just rolled out. It's called Moving Kit. Moving Kit is designed to save you thousands when you buy your next home. I've got a link to that below. You can click on that, read all about that, and by all means, sign up. It's free to you, and it's a really great thing that'll save you a boatload when you go buy your next home. It's time to go see homes. Sounds like a pretty easy thing to do. There's a good way to do it, and there's a better way to do it, and there's a best way to do it. Let's just skip all the stuff that's not so good, and let's talk about the best way to do it. You see, right now in our market, homes come on the market, and if they're well priced and they're in good condition, they go quickly. So it's really critical that once you see a good home that flows into your inbox from your real estate agent, that you go see that property as quickly as possible. Now, that doesn't mean that if it's a Wednesday, you wait until Saturday to do it. If you have to, you have to. But chances are that house will be gone. So if you've got opportunity to go out on a lunch break, do it. Talk to your agent, develop a strategy to go out and see homes as quickly as possible. And that way, when you see the right one, you're going to be able to act now and get the home that you've been dreaming of. Thanks for watching this video about how to go see homes and how to get the home that you've been dreaming of. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. See ya.